Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about manufacturing industries. So dear student, first of all we see the introduction of manufacturing industries. Why we are going to learn about the manufacturing industries? Why so is important? Because most of the product like blackboard, chalk, duster, book, copy, pen, pencil, eraser, TV, fridge, washing machine, most of the common things that are we use daily, these things are the product of manufacturing industries. So lots of things we get from the manufacturing industries. So let's see what is manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries is the processing of raw material. That means we convert the raw material into a finished goods. We convert the raw material into a more valuable, more refinable and more usable things. By the using of the machinery, it's called the manufacturing. Just see, raw material processing into a more valuable things in a large quantity at a time. It's called the manufacturing. Clear? Next, we see that some examples of manufacturing industries that helps to easily understand what exact the manufacturing. Just see, we produce the sugar from the sugar cane, cotton to yarn and cloth, iron ore to iron and steel, bauxite to aluminium. So these are the raw material and these are the industrial product, either manufactured product. So this raw material we processing by the using of the machinery and convert into a more usable and more valuable and more refinable finished product. So these products are so important for us. Okay, next topic, importance. What is the importance of manufacturing industries? What are the advantages of manufacturing industries? Now, first of all, just see, now economic strength. The economic strength of a country is measured by the economic development of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industry. First point, economic strength. Economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Second point, manufacturing industries support and modernize the Indian agriculture. How manufacturing industries support and modernize the Indian agriculture? Now, industries provide the so many tools and material to the agriculture. Which tools? Tractor, harvester, thresher, combine, PVC pipe, fertilizers, pesticide, insecticide. So many things are provided to the agriculture for the development. So manufacturing industry directly helps to the agriculture and support to the agriculture to increase their production and modernize the agriculture. Then also manufacturing industries provide the job opportunity to the lots of people, employment opportunity to the lots of people. So those people are still dependent on the agriculture. They got the new job opportunity that given by the manufacturing sector. Next, eradicate. When you got the job opportunity, so you earn money. So in this way, manufacturing industries helps to eradicate the problem of unemployment and poverty from our society. So manufacturing industries helps to eradicate the unemployment and poverty from our society. Clear? Next point is say that the expand manufacturing industries expand the trade and commerce. So manufacturing industry produce the finished goods, more usable goods, and these goods are buying and selling in market, selling to the market, and also export into the another countries. So it helps to expand the foreign trade and commerce and bring the foreign exchange and increase the national income of a country and make our economic development more strong. Clear? So otherwise you can say that the manufacturing industries also contribute in GDP. So all of you know that what is GDP? Not the value of all final goods and services that produced by a country, within a country throughout the year. The value of all final goods and services produced within a country in a particular year by each three sector: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So manufacturing industries contribute in GDP. Next, bringing down regional disparities. Bringing down, some regions are developed, some regions are underdeveloped. So we bring a balance. So we need to develop the underdeveloped regions. So how we develop the underdeveloped region? Either backward region, either tribal region. So by establishing the new industries in that areas. If we want to develop in any areas, in particular areas, either backward areas, so we should develop a setup, either establish the new industries. So industries helps to bring down the regional disparities. Next point is, manufacturing industries produce the large varieties of goods that you purchase from your market, nearest market. So many goods are available, you purchase it easily and better quality. So these varieties of goods are produced by the manufacturing sector. So these are the importance of manufacturing industries. So there is a question asked in Cbse examination: what are the importance of the manufacturing industries? Why manufacturing industries considered as a backbone of the Indian economy? Why? Explain the statement: the economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. And there is another question is, the India's prosperity depends on increasing and diversifying of manufacturing industry. So these question have the same answer. Okay? These are the economic strength, support and modernize the agriculture, employment provided by the manufacturing sector, eradicate the poverty and problem. Next, it's expand the trade and commerce, contribute in GDP and the foreign exchange, and bringing down the regional disparities and also produce the varieties of goods. Next is the industries and agriculture. Both industries and agriculture are not exclusive each other. They move hand in hand. Both are industries and agriculture are not exclusive each other. They move hand in hand. How? Now industries boost the agriculture. Either industries helps either support the agriculture. How? Now industries provide the so many tools and material like tractor, harvester, thresher, combine, PVC pipe, fertilizers, pesticide, insecticide directly provide to the agriculture. So industries helps to increase the production of agriculture. Not only industry helps to agriculture, also industry depends on the agriculture. How? Now for their raw material. Without raw material, we can imagine the any industries cannot run, either produce the any kind of goods. So raw material is essential for manufacturing industry. So for their raw material, manufacturing industries are depends on agriculture. So the development of the industries and development of agriculture depends on each other. So both are help to each other for the development and both are competition against each other. So development and competitiveness are happening there, and also make the production process more easy and more efficient. Not only help to each other, also make the production process more easy and more efficient. Okay. So let's recall. First of all, we see the introductory part. Second, definition, change the raw material into a more valuable and more finished product, like sugar cane into sugar, cotton to yarn, either cloth, etc. Next, we see the economic importance, the importance of the manufacturing industries. Okay, first point, the economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Second, its support and modernize the Indian agriculture. Third, it provides the employment opportunity to the lots of people. Fourth, it helps to eradicate the poverty and unemployment from our society. Fifth, it expands the trade and commerce. Sixth, it contributes in GDP and helps to earn the foreign exchange by exporting the goods into the foreign country and increase the national income and strong our economic development. Next, also bringing down the regional disparities by establishing the new industries in backward areas, either underdeveloped areas, either backward areas, either tribal areas. So, and also produce the large varieties of goods. Lastly, agriculture and industries are not only exclusive each other, they move hand in hand. How? Now, industries boost the production of agriculture by providing the tools and raw material in other inputs like tractor, harvester, thresher, combine, pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers, PVC pipe, tubewell, etc. And also industries depends on agriculture for their raw material. So both are depends on each other, both are support to each other. So their development depends on each other. So not only they support their production, either increase their production, also make the production process more easy and efficient.